Deshua universe that help him get level 15 and get some fish for to study.
I love this.
Fish. Go fish, buddy. Fish and go get your level. I got the Captain Go Fish. It sucks, buddy. Look at your war stick. And I play on mobile, so I can talk, guys. Please like and subscribe. If we get to 50 likes, I'm gonna do a giveaway, guys.
I caught a cut my screen.
That sucks, buddy. That sucks. Stop saying yappy. That sucks. That sucks.
My face.
That sucks. Suck. No, that sucks.
What's my fish inside?
You're gonna die from drowning. Or what you do? Water can kill human if you get into it. I got a skin crate. Okay, team, I already have the legendary.
I'm level 6 now, and you're level. Damn.
What?
No life grinder.
You low level.
Nuh-uh.
Okay, let me take my.
I'm so good at this.
Yeah, I got a lot of wob, guys. Look at Disney. You know what's Disney?
Perfect. Right, let me get a good shot.
Just look. You can stop. Let me show you this wob.
See,
And go eat.
here smell வருது because மீன் or else often socks smell. Okay, it's stinky. See, look at me. They went downstairs. Go downstairs.
Yo, Deshua, can you bring the snack down? Bruh. Bro, I want snacks, bro. I'm hungry, bro. Give me some snacks, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Please go up and get some snacks for me. Please. Deshua, I'm begging you. What?
Can you stay down here?
Okay, go get some snacks, please. I'm hungry.
I can't.
Stop.
Because I barely have anything. What if I fish at the water?
I say in real life. I say fit. I'm talking about the snack.
Okay,
I'm
4
hungry.
level remaining. I don't know what that is for, so I'm just gonna keep fishing. How do I get rid of all this and put it into my inventory?
Buddy. Okay, stop. Just open inventory.
Oh, you just.
Click on it.
Oh.
Let me see.
Ask Dad.
I don't know how to do this thing, bro. Can you bring some chip
Ask
down?
Daddy for this.
Can you please bring some chip down? I'm so hungry, please.
Are you okay?
Deshua, you okay? You okay? What happened? Buddy, what happened?
You know, we're not gonna appear if you didn't know the tell us what happened.
What happened?
Inaccurate. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Look at my cool skin. Look at my cool skin.
Are you okay?
You like my new skin? My new skin log. It costs 225,000K for a skin crate. And you need to have lots to get it. And I spent over a lot. I got a mythical, guys.
I don't want to do this shake button thing.
Get hasty. Look. You know why you don't want to do the shake?
Hey, stop. Let me catch this thing.
You trash at it, buddy. And who the heck is this guy? And who the heck is this guy doing? And who is this guy? I never friend this guy. Oh, Brady. Never mind. It's Brady 8220. You know why you don't?
Yeah, I'm level 11 time.
That's not 11. That's your strength for catching how much
I'm
fish.
level 7. I'm stupid. How do I level up faster though?
Fish? Mythical fish. Well, yeah, I'm lacking. Let me see. Open this thing. You know why? Because look at your lure speed. 0. You have 0 lure speed, buddy.
Wait.
You suck at it. Yeah,
What
just
is
got
this?
bait.
Aurora bolt.
That's a bait. You can get fish that way, belly fish if you got it. If you use different baits. It gives luck, speed, more speed, resilience, like
I got an
stuff.
Aurora bait or something.
I have it too. Like it's for starters. Use code. You can use code. You can use code too.
To get rods?
No, money.
Oh. How much do they give you?
I don't know. 1,000, like 1,000 stuff. If you join the crew, it gives you some money. Okay, I'm so lag. I'm starting lagging now, guys.
Ah! I got a crate. I got a bait crate.
Guys, I'm starting lagging. And you get garbage. It's trash. So trash.
This is taking so long. What am I supposed to do?
Fish. I'm gonna flex on you.
How do you not get
Because I have a chain relic and I got hasty.
What the f are you holding?
Megadons.
Show me that. So you're gonna trade me that one time, get to level 15?
Give me some snacks so I can give it to you.
I have T-Rex. You like T-Rex?
Yeah, I want cheeses. I'm starving right now. Wait, why are you still at level 7? Come with me. Just come with me.
Okay.
Why are you still level 7? Bro, I'm lagging!
You go in the dark. You go in the dark, guys.
Because I got the thing.
Where's your... Wi-Fi, bro.
Bro, feel this. It's hot.
Fucking... I'm following you with my super car.
And I'm lagging, guys. Yeah, I'm starting lagging again, guys.
I'm just gonna get on, bro.
Let me take you to a new place.
Hey, yo, fine.
So I'm lagging so hard.
You're missing one. So we want to actually connect this onto there, onto the
Okay,
outlet.
stop being mean to your brother.
I'm teaching him sense.
Okay, I'm lagging. I'm lagging.
How am I under the rock? Look.
I'm lagging, guys. I'm lagging, guys.
Okay, there you go. We're out of the rock.
I'm lagging.
Now we're in another rock.
I'm lagging. Okay.
What is this shit?
Oh, never mind. Never mind. I'm lagging. So hard. Hard.
What if I fish? Will I shit?
Let me see my setting. Let me see my setting.
Go upstairs. You wanna go or not?
Yo, I cannot see anything. Oh my god, stop pausing. I need to play on the computer, so I'm not gonna lag, bro. I hate this thing.
I need the iPad. I'm recording right now.
You can play on the Xbox. Yeah, I'm lagging so hard, guys.
Fine, go get the thing. For the Xbox to connect.
Lagging. I'm lagging, guys. Finally, stop lagging, bro.
Shake.
Oh my god, I gotta beat this mother.
Shake.
Okay, bro. Stop saying shake. Yeah, I'm so lagging, guys. I'm lagging.
Minus 50% progress speed? What happened?
That's a fish.
Oh.
Wait, let me see what fish you caught. I don't know what fish you caught. I cannot see anything. Do you say fish is minus?
I got a cursed eel.
That's it. There's another fish is minus 95 progress.
Taking so long. Okay, now go to the place.
Bro, I'm lagging. I cannot even drive. So laggy. Okay, I'm lagging. Bro, get up, bro. What are you gonna die from drowning, buddy? Okay, stop. Left. No. Because it's my iPad so hot. And it's not laggy. So freaking hard.
This is your guy.
Yo!
Now we're there. And I'm riding you.
Yo, buddy. I need ice. Can you go get some ice?
Ice?
Yes, to cool down my iPad.
What?
To cool down the iPad. Can you feel it so hot?
Okay, you need this. You don't need this. You already connected the thing on. Okay. Here, I need you to fish for me, okay?
Bro, why did you fish for you? Okay, bro.
Fine. Log on to your card betting account. But this one
Oh my god, I'm lagging, bro. I cannot play this thing. Hey, go up and get some ice and stuff, snack. Look at it. Oh, okay, put your hand on it. Put your hand on it. It's so
I am helping you get in.
It's freaking hard. It's freaking hard. Hot. Yo, a wood totem. Someone used to a wood totem.
What?
Bro, someone used to a wood totem. It gives you 6 times luck. So you can get better fish.
Wow!
Join fast, buddy. It only stays for 15 minutes.
And now he's missing. Oh, ready? No.
Chill out. Bro, try to bully his brother.
I always believe in love.
And he's gonna say, Mama, Deshaun's bullying me.
He always does that. He does that.
Okay, I'm freaking lagging. Okay. Yo! Who's out there?
I'm stroking it.
Okay, you know who's the biggest person in the world? Yeah. It's called Queso.
Shut up.
Hey, yo. Are you gonna call your mama? Bro, stop
stroking it.
Who is that? Brady?
Yeah.
Okay, look. Okay, I gotta pause the video, guys. I cannot play anymore.